Hey, g'day. How we going? Just got home from bloody work and thought I'd come out the shed and have a beer. Cheers. And tell you about our new KLR Tengai that we just purchased, just grabbed hold of her. It's a 1990-91 model KLR650 Tengai. Saw the ad on Gumtree. I thought, mate, what do we do? So the revenue that I've been making from YouTube, which is about $150 a month, I'm going to put back into some bikes, just to show you guys, hey, you know, I don't do this to make money. It's not all about. It's not for making money. This is because I do what I love. I love Kawasaki, as you can probably tell, and I love the simplicity of a lot of the bikes and also the technology as well. But hey, I love the brand. I've just picked up this KLR. I picked her up yesterday, and I'll just show you what's happened in the last 24 hours with it. We've picked it up in bits, checked her out, mate. She's a cracker. Watch as well, got everything. Anyway, I'll show you. Watch this, check it out, subscribe, keep up to date with everything. Click the bell thing if you want to or whatever. But mate, this thing, 685 kit. Head's been done, everything. She's in bits. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Hurry up. I'll stop waffling on.
What's going on, Mick?
Oh, mate. Hey, I'm just looking for a new project. I was a bit, I don't know, we've done a few Z9s and that. I want to do, like the KLRs and that. So have a look at this. I'm thinking of doing this. An old Tengai. What do you reckon of that? It's got a 685 Snitz race kit on it. It's got the barrel, so that's already there. Plastics look okay. Tank might need a bit of mucking around with. A bit rusty, but it's a 93 model. 93 model, the 685 kit. I was going to do a KLR anyway. There's bugger all difference to the new one, so the only one's $1,400 for it. So I'll give him a buzz. I spoke to him yesterday.
No answer.
Simon, Mick Brown, mate, ringing up about your Tengai, buddy. Give us a buzz on 04. Oh, well. Hopefully it's still there. So, yes, that's our next project. KLR650 Tengai, 93 model. That's if we get it. It's got a 685 big bore kit. I told you all that before anyway, so let's see how we go. Here we are, picking it up.
Here we are, we'll have a look at this bloody Tengai. Holy shit, where's the rest of it? Oh well. We'll start her off. She's all there. There's a box of stuff here as well.
Spanners out.
Yeah. Get the jigsaw going.
Yeah.
So this is how we got it, peeps. I'll load her up and we'll start pulling her apart. Cool as. Alright, all loaded, ready to go. Got them all in there. Got stuff here I don't even know I've got, so we'll take it back to the shop and start working on it. Big project.
Take 365.
Oh, hey, how we going? Hey, you might have seen I've got the new to me. 2000, it's 1990, 1990 I think it is. KLR650 Tengai, or a KL650, I think they're an A, something like that. So this is how I bought it. The guy was going to redo it and he's got to go somewhere. So I bought this bike. It cost me 1,400 Australian dollars, which is probably about $3.80 US or something like that. But all the money that I make from the YouTube videos that I do, I'll put back into motorcycles. So at the moment,
$20.
I made, the last 12 months, I probably made just about $1,400. I sort of worked that out last night after I bought this. That's probably what I've made out of it. So what I made the last 12 months, $1,400. I know it's not massive, I don't do it for the money, but I'll put all the money back into bikes. So when I get some money on this, I'll chuck it in here. So what I have is actually just have a look over here, Dean. I've got the boxes. In here I've got a JT oversized piston. The head, we've done the valves, well the old mate's done the valves in the heads and seated it. I might get that polished, do some port work on there. And I've got a Snitz Racing, Snitz, I don't know, they do an oversized head for a 685 kit. So this is how I got it. There's a battery there. There's a box of bits here as well that I haven't been through yet. Thanks to Simon. Simon's a fella that I bought it from. He's labelled everything. It's all in bags, so it should be pretty easy to go. It's got the doohickey replacement done in it already. Anybody in the KLRs will know the Eagle Mike doohickey replacement, so that's in it. I'm going to replace apparently some of these drive gears in here. They're rubber mounted. They go, so we're going to pull the motor out. We're going to split it. I might as well do the bearings and stuff, do everything in the bottom end. We're going to get the frame powder coated, so it's a total strip down. Do everything. I thought about re-spoking the wheels. That may be, depends how much we make out of her.
They look like they need it.
Yeah. So she's a pretty much ground up resto, and I may get a later model KLR triple tree and fork legs, but I still want to keep that original guard. So this is where we're at. I reckon it's probably going to cost me, I don't even know, probably another $1,000 I think to get it up and running. Up here's the original bodywork, which is still pretty good. I got it the tank relined and stuff. I need a seat cover. That's all the original stuff. It's pretty cool. There's a few cracks in it, but yeah, 1990, 1991, still there. I thought they didn't bring these out in Australia until 1993, but she's plated in 1990, so who cares? So I'll show you a picture when I pulled it all down. Check it out. But subscribe to the channel. Click subscribe. Share it. Share it with the KLR guys. Share it with all the other guys. What I love about these bikes is you start off with a basic bike. You still finish with a pretty basic bike, but for how we ride and so on, mate, they're great bikes. And what I love about the KLR, it hasn't really changed from this. They started, I think, 87. Fork legs, they've changed the forks on them, the springs, the suspension. Frames are pretty much the same, a bit stronger on the rear. Instruments have changed a bit, but the motor's basically the same. I know there's a few changes, and that's what I love about it. It still works, it's still a good bike. I was going to do a new one. I thought, let's do an old one, because they're the same thing. If I get it at the right price, I can do more to it. So, big bore kit, might get some hot cams for it and so on. I've got a 42mm Makuni carb. I'll see how it goes on the standard one. I might chuck that in later, and we'll go from there. So keep watching, subscribe. I think there's a button here. There's a button there.
There.
Check it out. But the more money we make, the more we can put into it. So I want to do a paint job. I want to do an original paint job there as well. If anyone's got any decal stickers or anything for them, give us a yell. Check it out. Go from there. So hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Watch us put all this together, and yeah, stay tuned. What's the next episode? Thanks. Let's go. Righto, spent about an hour on it, and that's where we're at. Looking like a chopper. And all the box of goodies there. But right, it's just some stuff for the powder coaters. Bits and bobs through here. It's all the tools I've had to work with. All the boys' toolboxes, they're all bloody locked. I can't get into them. So I've got a motors ready to come out, so that out. And might do that Monday actually. I need some bigger tools. So that's all right. We're the hour. Man, it's going to happen quick. 20 minutes later. Bloody motors out of her. She done. That's her sitting there.
ready to go. So we get on that next week. I'll powder coat the frame. Might pull them wheels, get them done. Let's go the whole log, eh? There we go, rock on. Righto, well, that's the end of day one. And here, the old Tengai has been reduced back to where it started. Motor on the bench. Bits and pieces here, there and everywhere. Frame. Wheels are in here.
So that's day one of the KLR build, or the KLR strip. It's time to go home. It's I don't know, 5:05 on Saturday afternoon. Started this about 3 o'clock-ish, and we reduced it down to that. So now the fun starts. We'll get into the engine. We're trying to work a colour on the frame. I'm thinking like a green, like this sort of a green on the frame to really pop it, and black on all the other parts that I'm going to do in the box here for the stop saying for the bits and pieces. I get that powder coated black. I'm thinking a bright green on the frame. I reckon that'll pop, and we'll see how much money we can make out of it, and might get the paint job done, and we'll have a near new 685 KLR Tengai. Hey, I enjoy this. I enjoy doing this sort of stuff. Hopefully you're enjoying it, and just keep following. Subscribe here or just here. I don't know where it is, but hey, you'll find it. And thanks for watching again. I really do appreciate it. This is the KLR 650 Tengai build by Aussie Kawiman coming at you, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.